Hi guys, welcome to Stacker channel guys. So guys, today we discuss about is called how we can making a website by using sitemap builders. Suppose you are making a kind of cPanels, everything you understanding the cPanel option. So you can making a dummy website. So in this dummy website, suppose you have no knowledge, a website how to build the no knowledge. So in this using, they give one of the best features called SitePad Website Builder. So this is a very attractive themes will be providing for control panel. So that is here. The option name is called software. The option name is called here is the options. SitePad Website Builder. This tutorial is very comfortable and you making a website zero knowledge of coding. So how we can making WordPress same like you make the website for in this. Here I've explained these are the themes. They're providing so many themes. So how to utilize and how we can optimize your website, how can install, how edit your content. I'll show you today class. Now in this, first of all, we can go to file manager option. In this, what is the previous code we have take the backup here. After this one, select here, except this, we can remove the, what are the previous content, we can remove it. Okay, your empty site will be complete empty, 404 error. Nothing but your website will be empty for completely. Now, here, what we can start the step one. That option name is called go to your software option. Selecting will be SitePad Website Builder. In this, now create a new site. In this site, new site, so this Arun Academy will be called particular promoting for education system, like they are providing for digital classes for 10th class intermediate. Now they started only for 10th class students. So they are selecting for couple of categories are there. So they related into the particular category will be called education category. In this education category, in the education category, so we can selecting for best themes. What are the themes you can have to select here? The theme will be machine should important. So in this one, so we have selecting our particular themes are here: Max Coach, Online, and Cognize, EduLearn, Educator, and Head Start. So many were here. So in this one, I have setting the one of the best option is called. We have to go option name is called. In this, we'll be selecting for several themes. So which theme you are comfortable by your logo and everything, we can selecting for particular theme here. So in this, I have to suitable theme is called knowledge. Now I'm selecting for website. So guys, I'm clearly explained without understanding coding knowledge, you can making a website. That is a providing a cPanel. But cPanel you have to understanding is more important. So that is we can learning for complete my channel will be there. Anyone still you have worry about that cPanel how to learn, you can comment me. I definitely will be share the videos and share your concept on my particular channel to your particular email also. Finally, I selecting for my theme. First, I'm checking my demo, how it is my website. It is user friendly, mobile friendly, everything we can checking for in a particular theme. After this option, theme selection, we have select option name is called select. The theme was selected by here. So here directory. So this will be the most of the important double dot important and admin email and my website description here everything is there. So in this one I have to adding for Arun Academy. Okay, so here I'll give the some title on this my particular platform. Here is called writing some content here. That will be your tagline for your description. Okay, Aragami, here is the your particular email you can write here. So what are the email you can write here? Procedure is very easy, but only you can understanding is more important. So here, Proceed and install. So contact email address, phone number, address is asking for your complete details that your wish. So I'm not adding to any option. So phone number you can add your as your interest. So this is the option. So I'll writing for one dummy phone number in this, and address will be, I'll give option name is Hyderabad, Telangana. Or else they are promoting for two places, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Proceed and install. So here you can go to this option will be here. Now will be start particular procedure. So they will be installed by started on your particular sitepad builder on your particular website. It takes little bit time to install the sitepad builder. So now here how some option will be error. You can check this. I follow this checkbox and click here. Now I'm started by the S option. What are the parameter you will be miss? That all will be installed by using Sitepad Builder. No need to worry on a particular option. You will be adding the particular website to installation will be file will be started. In this one, no need to worry. Be cool and making a website using Sitepad Builder. So which hosting will be providing this and options? We can go for the particular things. Now we have to refresh your particular option. Under development, website under development, please check back later. So here, so these are the options are we here to your particular site. I will be click website development. Please check back later. Now they will be started by the installation. You have to wait up to installation will be open. So you can taking for 1 minute or 2 minutes time to activate your particular site. Now it will be started by here. You are wait for 1 minute. So theme was installed. You can click for edit here. Everything Arun Academy. Here is everything. Save here. So particular save option. All sites. Here is option and global. So everything will be in your particular things. So here, click you for here and editing purpose. This will be your complete for editing purpose will be using for utilize this option. So you have to wait for certain time to activate this option. Now, so your theme will be complete ready on your particular option. Now your site will be open your particular users. Previous, my file manager will be zero content. So you can change from file manager also. Now my file manager completely fill up the site with the sitepad data, theme, uploads, everything will be here. Screenshot, everything will be here. So this will be in a particular option. If you edit this option, now we can go to here, see this, all feature will be given by in a particular things. Now, so here, every option will be here. So guys, if you are anything changes required in your particular website, I'll show you here. So I will be changing the particular things. So that is called, we can go to website builder. Here, this option will be here. Just you can click this option. What are the page you design? Everything we can changing by here. This complete for WordPress type. No need to worry about that particular things. This complete for WordPress type. So here, I'll show you edit image. So what are the options you can change will be here is the option. Now coming to this, I'll go with option pages, all pages. I can see about. Click for edit. Once you click for edit, the showing will be like this. So anything will be very comfortable will be given by the in this sitepad builder. So admission is not required your particular page. We can remove the particular page option also. This will be very comfortable zone in a particular options. So here, So this will be, I can show something like what are the changes you will be here. You can changes will be on a particular option. See this. This all will be your particular things. Is it clear? Now, I'll go with the first of all, my option is called home page. So first my thing is called home page. Now first, I'm click edit. I have to change my home page option. So clear guys, how is it changing for home page? Now will be start will be here, where all in this click for this option, log into the site. Here will be changing this option. So here will be logo. What are the options you can change? Will be click here and change your option. So this one, home page, blog. Here is the join. So here is the option. Here is the click for in your particular things. So everything will be here. Now click for setting. What are the changes you can? All will be changes will be here. So now, so what are the changes? And do the one by one here. So here, edit, complete changes will be here. Click the edit option. So here, background overlay, and style font. So here will be option. Here is the one by one changing will be here. So guys, how is the same WordPress will be changes will be here. Now pages, blog, and media, everything. Here is the menus option. Menu is not required. Simple one. We have to show option name is called remove the menu option. Here is the option will be clear and category will be clear here. So here I'm not creating any kind of categories. Just I'm creating will be only few menus will be shown to the customers like home, about, blog, and contact us. Here, if I'm give any customized link, this is same like WordPress guys. No need to worry about that. We can here app. This will be app purpose. We can utilize our app application link. That is the most of the important key points. So I'm using for app link here. I will clearly explain step where you can mistake everything. No need to worry to mistake here. So that you will be very comfortable with create the option. App will be create in this save menu and you can call for refresh. So what are the slide you can change? Everything will be given in a particular option. So here I'm explaining. First of all, this is your pages option. How many pages you have? Create the number of pages will be here. Those are all pages. This will be blog option. In a blog, you can create a number of categories. Each category we can create number of pages. Right now, I'm creating blog option. Add new blog. We can create a number of blogs will be in a blog position. This is the option will be given by the blog things. Second thing will be add pages. In this, what are the page you design here? Now, what are the changes will be here? Click for edit and you can change the every option will be here. So every page is a common option. No need to change this option. Here will be change your future. So what are the your phone number? Everything you can add by here. So right now I'm adding for dummy phone number. In the future, anything you can add like Google Map, any position will be here is the application. Now if we click for edit option, you can change your Google Map here. Is a common footer and common header. This detail you can changing for the particular footer option. So now I'm writing for content here. So where is your content? Will be check and update the content will be here and click for updated. So where your slider will be changed, that will be complete option will be slider part. This will be changing for slider option will be coming to this position and this will be your social icons. I'll show you where you can using for social icons. So guys, any footer will be changed, terms and condition, any option will be here. Simple, go to your dashboard. The option call is template. They will show for header, footer, option is there. Click for edit on the footer, edit your page layer. So everything is option will be here. So in this, what are the options are required? Add your options will be here. So these all will be your particular icons. Now will be Facebook, G Plus, and Twitter, Instagram, Skype is there. So when anything will be required, add your particular square option. Now is updating. Automatic icon will updated by in this option. See here. Now you can refresh. So now Facebook will be coming to the 2 times. So in this one, we have to change option will be here. See this one. Here we can change will be here. First of all, LinkedIn. Check with the LinkedIn option. So now that we can add the custom link. So here we are adding for LinkedIn will be option. So we can add a custom title also. Now will be here. So which is not required. Just we can utilize the option name is called simple. Skype not required. Facebook, Google Plus. Now click Google Plus. So here, see this. All options are here. So which one we can utilize? See this. Google Plus, Pinterest. Here, all options are in this particular things. Telegram, Tumblr, everything here. The particular option. WhatsApp square. So there are a lot of options are there. Which is you can utilize. You can use the particular option. You can go for regular and brand. Brand will be your particular option. So Google Plus nowadays nobody using. We can add in for Pinterest option. So here is the Pinterest option will be here. So after that, change your position. So here is the now click for update. So after update, now we can go to refresh. So they will be here Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest option. So anything you can add here, particular things, simple option. You can add your options are here. Select here. So I am missing one option is called YouTube. You can add in by YouTube also. If his option is there, you can add the YouTube option also. So that is compulsory is a mandatory for YouTube option. So we can go with YouTube option is there or not. Check with them. So YouTube will be not there. You can add the custom option is available. You can check for the option on YouTube process. Now I'm adding for YouTube here. So this is a complete final one, guys. So in this one, I'm remove all option. Here one by one we can add the particular option. So I tell you the complete dashboard will be into sitemap. First of all, pages will be first option. What are the pages you have to edit? Every pages will be here. We can add the new pages will be here. What are the page you create? Add the menu option will be give this in this particular option. See this. What are the page design? Just you can click add to the menu option. Here we can add the custom URL also. There will be custom link. So already I'm give the app link will be custom URL. After this one, major option is called setting. In a setting, you are adding your site title name, email ID, everything will be here. Editor setting option will be here. Address, your social media icons, everything adding by your particular option. So phone number you can changing for later also. After this one, here, people previously adding the social icons. How to add in the social icon? Simple one here. Go to template. In this, click for editor option. Header will be click edit option. In this, we have to use for the particular links. In the setting option, we can add your all social icons. I'll show once again repeat. In this, you can see here. First of all, I'm remove the all option. You can see this one. I'm remove the all. So add here, select in this, automatic link will be happen here particular. This will be open the new tab. Second thing will be select option. Here each source like I add automatically links will be activated. How we can activate links will be automatic. I'll show you here. Twitter links will be happen. So open for the new window. Third, we can activate for Instagram. So here will be Instagram will be here. So how we can using WordPress, same will be design will be sitepad also. That will be sitepad option. Is very comfortable to making a design and everything will be very useful. So in this last one, I'm adding for LinkedIn. So select here in this. Open new tab. New window, why I'm selecting for social icon will be not disturbed by your website. That is called I'm selecting for new window option. That mean by we can go to here. We once again refresh. In this option, anyone will be click here, automatically open for the new window option on a particular social media link. The social media links will be activated by using setting option. By using setting. So setting, we can add the all social icon will be once done. No need to adding for each social icon time. So this is a social profile URL. They accept only for 5 URLs on a particular social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. In a Google Plus, you can add the your app link also. So you can give the app link will be here is the app link will be provided here. So there is a Google Plus. You can add your app link will be the showing for app link also will be opened by particular option. Here, what are the options here? Everything will be in this option. The major thing is called you can activate for the site icon. That is mean by your favicon. The favicon nothing but favorite icon. How you can adding in this? I'll go to here, click this option and select by here, and so we can add the crop image. Click the crop image and save for change. Previous is a globe icon. Now my icon will be selected by the in a particular website. The icon will be compulsory important. Icon nothing but your brand identity that is eligible by your option. In a blog option, we can post n number of blogs. You can posting n number of blogs. That is a blog option. Here, all post. What is the post done? Click edit here. In this edit option, what are the parameters are required? We can fulfill the complete parameters in this blog option. See this here. Blog will be in a particular option in this. So here is the post option. Go back. Here edit option will be there. Open this blog post. This will be showing for blog information, but I have to use for add new blog. See this, they are opening the page. The content will be complete for customization. The complete will be customization. Title, we can use the paragraph and each will be occupied for the particular blog option. That is we can go to the publish here. So this will be simple. I'll upload one content. Ugadi special offer. Title will be in a particular option. So I'm writing for particular things. What are the options are required? Just you can drag the position in this. Here will be title, Ugadi offer. So this will be done. Next will be what are the paragraph you can add here? Particular option. So that is the compulsory important will be based on your conditions. In this, we can go for rich text. Add it here. The text will be happen. Same will be useful. Ugadi offer. Now click for publish. Now this will be previous blog is there. Now check for the blog option. So it will be new post, selecting by the here, that will be selecting by options are here. The new post will be Ugadi special offer. So in this, what are the things we have to in your using by in this, the particular option will be select by the particular blog option. See here, the category and blog post will be what are the changes you can happen. Everything will be in your particular things. So just here will be global wise, widgets, row, column, options are here. So we can using for image also in this. We'll go for image selection, crop, upload image. So what is the offer is going on? Ugadi special offer is going on. So that will be add in this particular option. So here I'm not using any corporate images that will be useful by the in this. Click for update. Now you can go for refresh. It will be complete for your offer will be showing to the customers here. Here. So we can give the any kind of buttons that we can check for button here. Check the button center button nothing but we can use link open new tab install app update. So what are the page you design? Everything will be very comfortable zone in a particular option. When you click here, they go to your app install option. So these are the parameters. Now we can follow the complete website. So what are the changes you done by header, footer? It all will be belongs to for templates. The templates will be help to making a website. This complete WordPress, but little bit changes will be happen in a particular option that will be follow here. And the thing is that we can go to settings. Here is the future contact form privacy. If you go to the contact form, so which mail you have received the contact, they adding the your contact details and page. I'll go to your particular page option here. What are the page content you can change? Select and change your content. Now I'm click edit. Simple. The go to particular page. You can design your own page and change your page option will be suitable by this. So here I have to change a little bit content. So content is more important for each and every website. Is done. Email, phone number, everything here done by settings. So that all option will be included by in a particular things. So here edit URL, your form ID, contact name, this all will be you can give the particular option. So that will be created by the particular option will be created by the contact us application. What are the mail you can suggest it that will be review the contact form option automatically received by the your particular email address. What are the email you suggest, the email received by the particular mail also. So anything required here, now click for edit and add your particular options. So what are the working? They will receive the mail here. Now close. See this. We can change your map required. We have to edit the particular things. We can change your map will be in a particular options are here. So that is called we can using for particular option will be here. So here we can use Telangana. The map will be updated for Telangana option. So this will be here. Or else you can say the team will be India. So they will be show for India option will be show to the particular users will be here. So what are the options required? We can add the all option will be here. So anything we can add in this, any script or condition code, that all will be here. See this address, phone number, email, copyrights, everything, contact form, page title, everything will be given in a particular option. So this is the following steps to making a website onto the using Sitepad Builder. So this image you can add one by one by using home page. There will be content will be acceptable on your particular format. So these are the format we can utilize to change edit option and activate your pages images and based on your sizes. So that is called all images will be I'm taking as a 0. So here will be 500 into 300 image. Go for it. The option name is select here 500 by 300 image. This will be click. So what are the image you can accept it? 300 by 200. So the all image will be given in a particular option. So this all will be coming to the part of the your particular image option. So this all will be coming to the header part. What are the content you change? Everything will be given in a particular option. See this one. So here, all boxes here in this. Here will be changing the content. Which tag will be required? Add the content. So what are the option remove? You can use the option will be here. Is the same like WordPress, but little bit different by the particular option will be given in the sidebar builder option here. So this is a way we can making a website in a particular using sitepad builder option. So what are the changes required? You can change here by using dashboard. It's similar like as a WordPress, but a very comfortable zone. If you're changing any kind of SEO, that will be SEO will be utilized in a particular option. SEO title, author, contact, copyright, description, keyword, and save the metadata. This will be used for particular website using for SEO option. So this is guys to making a sitepad builder website by using the cPanel. Any further doubts? If you are making a website, definitely will be support how to making a website and how we can edit your content, how to utilize your particular website. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.